welcome back to my channel. I'm super duper excited about this video today. So let me tell you guys, lately I've been going through this natural hair thing. You know, the mister in my life, he was really feeling a natural vibe, and I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and give him some twist out realness, you know what I'm saying? So I did that for a little second, but then I was like, you know what, I need to get back to me, like my typical daily glam self, right? So I done came across this little gem right here, and y'all, I'm pretty sure from the title of this video, y'all like, what does she even have to talk about today? And I decided, cut with chit chat. Y'all know who it is. It's me. I'm here. Hello. What's up? Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Click the little notification bell so you'll get a noti every single time that I post a new video. And yeah, make sure you join the family. I sometimes want to call y'all gang. I sometimes want to call y'all babies, but in due time, my name for my love bugs. That's what I'll call you guys. I love that. That's so cute. But anywho, I'm sure you all can see I got a new do, and it's really, really cute, right? And I want to know, do you guys think that this is like some bomb Brazilian bundles, or do you guys think that I didn't break the bank on this hair? Cause you know, baddies on a budget, like that's all 2019. Like, we want to look good, but we also want to be smart with our coin at the end of the day. Am I lying? No, I'm not. So we definitely want to look good, but make sure we got bread in our purses. You know what I'm saying? So with all of that being said, I just want to give you guys a little show of my hair. So now, being that I've done showed you guys this hair, now let me tell y'all, I only spent $45 on this wig. $45 on this wig, and I also have another one too, but I'm gonna save that for a later date because that one is bad. But I only spent $45 on this wig. Like, you guys, it is so freaking pretty. Look at that. And of course, this is not human hair, but honestly, y'all, at this point, all of the different vendors that I've gone through, everything that I've gone through to find the perfect hair, and then to be on YouTube one day and find out about this amazing wig, like, and it's big hair friendly because I have a big head. I'm like 22 and a half inches, 22 and a half to 23. Like, it just depends on how I braid my hair. Because when I don't braid my hair super flat, literally no wig fits my hair. But the fact that I was able to purchase this and just slap it on my head, like, you guys have no idea how much satisfaction I felt when I put this on, because it was a little tight. Like, this one was a little tight, but the other wig that I have, when I put it on, like, it was completely perfect. So what I did for this wig is I went in and I like snipped the cap on each side so it would give me more room, and that's all that I did for this. But as you guys can see, this is so freaking pretty, super pretty, right? Yes, I definitely wanted to come on here to share this little gem with you all. You can always look super glam, but be on a budget, y'all. Y'all don't have to get on YouTube and feel like you have to spend $500 on hair and all of this other stuff, like, because it's really not necessary. As long as you know how to slay it, as long as you know how to rock it, you'll be good. So yeah, so now I'm going to show you guys the packaging so you can see exactly which style wig it is that I got, and let's get into it. So the wig that I'm wearing is the Model Model FreedomPart lace, and I got it in the style 202. So that's what it looks like. This is probably gonna be flipped backwards, so I apologize about that. You can flat iron it or curl it up to 400 degrees. You can also wash it, and I didn't even know that you can wash synthetic hair with a synthetic shampoo and conditioner. I did not even know that they made that, which is really, really cool. But you can do that. And yeah, I went to the hair store. Well, first I was on YouTube looking up different styles and whatnot, and I absolutely loved the initial wig that I went to go and get. And on my way out, I get back on YouTube and then I see this wig and I'm like, so I turned around, went back into the store, and they did have this one. So I was like, okay, I can do that. Like, this is my type of wave. This is like super pretty body wave. As you guys can see, it is super cute. Like, what? My baby walked in on me. He was like, what the? Who you trying to get cute for? Where you go? Like, he kept asking me, where you go? Where'd you go? Where you leave to? Where you go? And I'm like, baby, I've been in the house. I'm chilling. Like, we good. We good. We here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Your dude walk in on you with this, right? He like, ooh. I absolutely love this hair so far. This is day 2 for me. I'll definitely do an update video on this wig. The thing that I do to make sure that it doesn't go through its wear sooner than it should at night, I do take it off. I do not go to sleep with this hair on. I don't do any of that. For this part, I just cut the lace and I just put a little bit of concealer. I think you can see my cap a little bit right there. But yes, I didn't really have to do anything extra in that department. But yeah, you guys, this is it. Super, super pretty. So if you are interested in this wig, just click the link down below and you can place your order on Amazon, or you can check out your local beauty supply stores because they may have it, they may not. There are definitely a lot of wigs that beauty supply vendors do not even have in store. So definitely call before you go, before you waste gas. And yeah, so that's pretty much that. But if you're new to my channel, I just want to say thank you for sticking around and checking out this video. And I would love for you to become a part of our family. So make sure you click that subscribe button and the little notification bell right next to it so you'll be notified every single time I post a new video. And if you would love to get a shout out, definitely leave in the comments down below. Hashtag notification gang, hashtag daily gang. And yes, so I will see you all in my next video. And with all of that being said, I love you guys so much. Thank you for the support, and we will see you in our next freaking video. Peace and love. Got me, baby.